we'll guide you through how to connect Jira to Power BI. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have an active internet connection before accessing Jira. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 by typing the website address into the address bar. Choose the login method you want to use, for example Google, for a faster and more convenient sign-in experience. When the available accounts are displayed, select the account you want to use for managing your Jira projects and workspace. After selecting the correct account, click Continue to access the Jira dashboard. Once you are inside Jira, click Apps to open the drop-down menu and view the available integrations and marketplace applications. From the drop-down menu, select Explore More Apps to open the Atlassian Marketplace and browse available apps that can extend Jira functionality. In the search bar, type Power BI and press Enter to search for available Power BI integrations. From the search results, choose the app named Power BI Connector for Jira to open its details page. After reviewing the app information, click Try It Free to begin the installation process. Click Review to continue and examine the information provided. Carefully review the permissions and data management information displayed on the screen so you understand how the application will interact with your Jira environment. Once you have reviewed the details, click Start Free Trial to continue the installation process and activate the application for your Jira workspace. After the installation process is completed successfully, Power BI Connector for Jira will be connected to your Jira environment and ready for configuration. To verify the installation, click Manage App to open the Application Management section. Next, select Take Me Here to open the App Management page where all installed applications are listed. Now you can see Power BI Connector for Jira listed in your Connected Apps section.